Primordial waters, clover and oak striving, water walls, a meshing of chords in the net of the night. In the barbarous weave of the damp, dropping water, a rending of water drops, lamenting successions, diagonal rage, cutting heaven, steeped in aromas, smashing the water, interposing, the roan of their gloss, like a foliage between boulder and water. The horses gallop in water, their vapour attending in a lunatic milk. A stampede of doves that hardens like water. Not day, but a cistern of obdurate weather, green agitations, where hooves join a landscape of haste, with the lapse of the rain and the bestial aroma of horses. Blankets and pommels, clustering cloak furs, seedfuls of darkness, ablaze on the haunches of brimstone that beat the considering jungle. Beyond and beyond and beyond, and beyond and beyond and beyond and beyond. The horsemen demolish the rain. The horsemen pass under the bittering hazelnut. The rain weaves unperishing wheat in a shimmer of lustres. Here is water's effulgence, confusion of lightning, to spill on the leaf, here, from the noise of the gallop. The water goes wounded to earth, without flight. The bridle reins dampen branch-covered archways. Footfalls of footfalls, an auberge of darkness, in splintering star shapes, moon-like, ice-like, a cyclone of horses, riddled with points like an icicle prison, and born out of fury, the innocent fingers brim over, the apple encompassing terror, and the terrible banners of empire are smitten.